Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are introducing our TAICO self-developed inverters. Now we are unbox this appearance. Let's check. The first glass we see our equipment share cable, communication cable, and the battery parallel cable, and the self-installed screws, and the PV input MC4 and the manual for this spec. Okay. Open it. You can see images. This model is 12 kWh. Okay, welcome back our specifications, and we can check the first of all his IP66. His maximum voltage range can meet up the 400 PVs, and the second, he has 3 currents input, has the power factor ranges the 9.9 black and lead, and she also meet the CE qualities and the ROHS. And with this type of the model, we have through cooling fan. You can see our input here. This is AC input and the battery input and the PV input. And here is his load for the grid of the electricity. And this is parallel. This motor inverters, it can parallel 9 pieces. Here is our menu, and you can see it has a Wi-Fi model inside. Close this out. Okay, now we are looking inside this structure to see how the power it is. Hey guys, let's get through his highlights. First of all, she has the 3 model MPPT. Inside, you can see his 3 models. His 3 model MPPT and the maximum PV inside input, he can around 24 PV. Here is our new model of the inverters in the market. And if you want to know more detail, please contact our official site, TAICO.com. Okay, today's I will give the gift. And now we are ready to open this cover and to see whether inside. Okay, let's begin. Okay, let's open this cover to see whether it's inside the structure.